The Go Eco Bakechef is a wood-burning only cooking stove that is perfect for both glamping and home installation. It's rated at Clear Skies Level 5, it's eco-design ready, and it burns with an efficiency of 82.5% from a 5 kilowatt nominal output. It has an air wash system that cleans the glass as the stove is operated, which ensures a clear view of the flames. Also, it has a patented tertiary air system that creates cleaner combustion, which increases the efficiency of the stove. Not only that, it has an extra large flame viewing window for both the firebox and the oven. The oven itself is of a good large size, which will accept full-size bakeware and other ovenware items. Not only that, on top there's a standard stainless steel cooking surface that accommodates pans between 28 and 32 centimetres. As you can see here, the lovely people at Charlton Jenrick are rustling up some delicious chicken and potatoes for us, and it smells absolutely fantastic as well. With the oven reaching temperatures of up to 200 degrees C and above, you have the capabilities to cook incredible roast dishes even if you're camping in remote surroundings. There are separate, simple air control sliders to control the air wash and oven temperature, plus stainless steel handles, trims, ash pan and all other fixings make for durability and long service. There are also optional extras that include a flue heat shield or a firebox heat shield. Both are accessories that allow you to customise your stove whilst also offering a bit of protection from the heat within. Head to the Direct Stoves website now to find your Go Eco Bakechef camping and cooking stove.